it's Julie with DexTools Academy, and I'm going to show you guys how to buy practically any cryptocurrency on DexTools and how to use other useful features of the platform. There's different ways to do it, so let's get right into it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell button that you don't miss out on upcoming videos of DexTools Academy. So on DexTools, let's launch the app. A lot of people don't know that you don't need any sort of account, you don't need to register or give up any private information to use the app or buy anything. You just connect your wallet right here in user account and access the standard or premium version. Here you can see connecting my wallet, I have access to standard version, which gives me access to use all three features as explained in the basic version. More transaction info, you have wallet info, price alerts for Telegram and email. You see 12 hot pairs and you have access to the Dextforce Discord, which is a private group which you can use to talk to other traders and exchange ideas and tips. Well, private groups are always better than these open groups filled with scammers and spammers. If you have the premium plan, you can access all standard features, access the Dextforce premium group on Telegram and on Discord. You can access the Dextforce Ventures group, which is a venture capital group where members have access to private sales, which give much better return of investment as when you buy coins later on the open market. You see 15 hot pairs with faster update and in the future you will get more exclusive upcoming features for DEXTools premium members. When launching the app, you get directed to the Dextboard, which gives you an overview about the features DEXTools app offers. So on DEXTools, you can buy anything on the Ethereum network, and with one click of a button, you can switch over to the Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Phantom, or Kronos at the time of recording this video. But there are constantly being added more chains. So you can buy anything on Pancakeswap or other exchanges and use all the tools. So you can see right here are the hot pairs for Pancakeswap. This is a ranking of the hottest coins which are being traded on DEXTools at the moment. So the more users interact with the token pair of a coin, it means the token pair page being clicked, added to favorites, the pair being upvoted or traded with the DexSwap function, the more the possibility that the token ranks higher. If you were a standard member, you would get an extra 2, and for a premium member, you would get an extra 5 hot pairs, which gives you an advantage over the people who don't see those. So let's switch over back to the Ethereum network and you can see the hot pairs for Uniswap and Sushiswap. We're going to be assessing the pair explorer, so you can see here about the trending coins from 1 to 15. Here's the information that you'll need: total liquidity, daily volume, the creation of the date of the pool, total transactions, pooled wrapped Ethereum, pooled Dext, and the percentage of the pooled Dext. Here right underneath you can check the number of holders, the market cap, circulating supply, the value of 1 ETH in Dext, and the total supply. Here at the bottom you have the Dext score, which helps you to analyze the legitimacy of the token. So the higher the score, the better. It counts from 1 to 100 points. With voting, you can help improving the community trust score. If you have a standard or premium membership, you're allowed to participate in the voting. So, here in the middle, you can see the chart. You can even analyze it with the tools as you can do it on TradingView. And by clicking that little star here, you add the token to your favorites list. Below you can see the past transactions. If you added the token pair to your favorites, you can add here your positions by just clicking the little plus button, and you can check your positions then here in the My Positions tab. You can also set price alerts here. In the configurations, I can adjust the type of alarm I want to be notified with. So I can set browser notifications, price alerts notifications on Telegram, or price alert notifications on email. For setting them up, you just need to follow the instructions. It's very, very easy. And then you can set price in the price alerts tab. On the right side, I can see the favorites I added, can sort them, and also can add a chart view to each favorite. As in the old version, we can also use the Velox trading bot. We have an own video explaining how to set it up. Also, the Velox team will help you via Telegram if you have any issues using it. Right next to the Velox button, you can see the swap button. So literally, with the click of a button, you can connect your wallet and trade your coins directly in the DEXTools application without the need to enter other exchanges. It's very, very easy and quickly to use. I'm going to show you guys the second way on how to buy any coin on DEXTools, so we are heading to the Multiswap function. Here we can add all the tokens we want to swap at the same time. For example, Dext, Meta Brand and Zidos Heroes. Choosing the amount, I can just swap all at the same time. Live new pairs show you the liquidity changes for the latest coins being added. That means it shows tokens that have been launched up to around 2 weeks ago. So you see their liquidity changes. The pool amount is the amount of liquidity in the pool before variation. The variation shows the actual variation in percentage, so it shows if the team added or reduced liquidity from the pool, and pool remaining is the actual liquidity remaining in the pool. But yeah, please take care. Many people just buy random tokens being listed there, and there are so many scams, and always research before buying a random token. We also have a video showing how scam tokens are identified. With the big swap explorer, you can track whale swaps, so you can introduce any amount you want to see, and for this amount you will see the big swaps. Here in Dext Stats, you can see all hot pairs from different exchanges like Uniswap, Sushiswap, ShibaSwap, CRO, DeFi Swap, and so on. In wallet info, you can track your wallet or other wallets. You also get direct access to the ApeBoard, which is a partner of DEXTools. It's very cool. I recommend you to check it out. The last two sections are for adding the pairs bot and the price bot on Telegram. You just need to follow the instructions. It's also very easy to add it. I just give you a final perk. You can switch to day mode and night mode here with that button above in the corner. And also here in Pair Explorer, you can change even the layout. Some people like to see their favorites on the left side, some people like it more on the right side. So now everyone should be happy. We also have now a mobile version which works exactly like the browser version. You can also connect your ledger. Just try it if you have any questions. The admin team on Telegram is happy to help you with your eventual issues. Don't forget to like the video, and see you on the next one.